This is the base Ferris wheel project, and we give parts related to the project, and then the students will put the wheel together. So there are some things that are wrong with the project at the beginning, and then they decide what they want to do to customize it. This is the first part of my Rube Goldberg machine. It uses cereal boxes and things from some storage containers, as well as a lot of tape and a police car. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye! This is the remains of my Rube Goldberg, and this kind of tape isn't very good for it. The duct tape, pretty solid. Okay, so I'm going to take this down and do something else. Okay, this is the base of my car. It uses junk. Piece of cardboard. There are 4 lids, plastic lids, and 2 pieces of straws. The straws were kind of new, used again, so technically still junk. And the tape is new, and then glue from the glue sticks. And we used, for the axles, we used these wires. All right, this is a rollerblade wheel that I salvaged from my rollerblades that broke all the plastic off. They were so old. And then here we have just some blocks and some tape and mounted onto a cardboard so that everything stays. And there it goes, module. Oh, I lost a nut. Okay, I bought this Lazy Susan at the Salvation Army today. We have it kind of propped up. It's not really stable, but in a real life situation, it would be better. And then it's being run by a Lego motor and a tire. Fun.
You could also use that to mix batter.
Yeah, mix batter, sure. Here it is, spinning the globe. Woo! Let's give it a try. Everybody's ready? Not ready, not ready.
Say goodbye, my own.
Getting set up.
Ready? Better work.
It's on.
I gotta figure out. Does this go down? It goes down, 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 down. Okay, we're good.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Rock and roll.
Let's go.